gingerbread house it is.
A gingerbread houses.
Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our side pieces up. And the side pieces are gonna fit right in.
Daddy, I said suda.
Huh?
I said suda.
Alright.
Daddy, I said suda.
Hold on. Okay.
Well, it was gonna fit right in the middle. So you gotta make sure you have enough icing when you get ready to put it in there, okay?
Here, hold it.
Alright, Mama's gonna start helping.
Daddy, it broke.
What? You gonna put the icing on the top?
Alright, so let's do one at a time. What about this? Oh my goodness, guys. So it took us a little bit, but we just finished the gingerbread houses. Now it's time to decorate, and we're gonna see who's gonna have the best house on the block. Who's gonna have the best house?
And you followers are gonna vote on which Christmas gingerbread house is the best. Comment down below.
Okay, guys. So you're gonna say when we're finished, are we gonna vote for Christy's house? Are we gonna vote for Kelsey's house? Or are we gonna vote for Ray's house?
No, me house.
All right,
My
guys.
house is gonna win.
Who's ready to decorate?
Me.
Who's ready to decorate?
Me.
Ready, set, go!
Okay. Okay. This is my gingerbread house. This is my these peppermint balls on the top. The little beads on these. Some beads on these. I put little snowflakes for snow. I did not put no snow. I put some flowers on this. Some gingerbread house here. Don't worry about that. Oh my god. And some.
Okay, Kelsey.
This right here.
So tell us about your house.
I got some bees, some this, some trees, some this.
Okay, what did you make in the front? You got some steps in the front? Some stairs?
Yeah.
Very good. And what about you, Ray?
I broke this stuff on my house. It broke. And I cannot make a gingerbread house. I quit.
Okay. All right, so we're going to leave it up to our subscribers. If you guys can go and stand by your homes, we're going to ask who did best. Was it Christy's gingerbread house?
No! It's my house! I quit! No!
It was like Kelsey the winner.
Yeah!
It was like Kelsey the winner.
Kelsey right now. Yeah. See? Look at this. Before. And do not blow twice. You better blow. Kelsey's didn't even break or nothing. It's just, it was these two parts that made the thing break. Yeah. And the roof was just.
Kelsey, how do you feel?
Good.
Good.
And your blow.
Who